Sustainable gardening. Focus on eco-friendly practices like composting, water conservation, and native planting. Biophilic design. Integrate natural elements like wood, stone, and water features to connect with nature. Vertical gardening. Maximize space and create a stunning visual impact with vertical gardens and green walls. Pollinator-friendly plants. Attract beneficial insects and
Welcome to
butterflies with
4DX
colorful blooms
Design,
and diverse
your
plant
ultimate source
choices.
for all
Edible
things home
gardens.
design,
Grow your own
architecture, and
fruits,
interior
vegetables,
inspiration.
and herbs for fresh, homegrown produce. Low-maintenance plants. Choose drought-tolerant and pest-resistant varieties for a worry-free garden. Outdoor kitchens and fire pits. Create a cozy and inviting atmosphere with outdoor kitchens and fire pits for entertaining
Eric,
and
design
relaxation.
consultant of 4DX
Multifunctional
Design.
patios. Design your patio to serve multiple purposes, such as dining, lounging, and entertaining. Outdoor lighting. Illuminate your garden with stylish lighting features that enhance the ambience and security. Start small. Begin with a manageable project like creating a small herb garden or adding a few new plants. Seek inspiration. Browse magazines, websites, and social media for garden design ideas. Surface. Various potted plants, including vibrant orange and pink flowers like chrysanthemums and other flowering plants, fill the patio space. A light brownish-orange/terracotta colored wall forms the backdrop, punctuated by a set of dark brown French doors. A wooden bench with a light brownish-yellow/beige couch and two cushions sits in the middle of the patio. There are decorative hanging plants with reddish flowers climbing over the pergola or roof structure above the patio. A meticulously designed Japanese garden, nestled within a modern home's courtyard. A serene waterfall cascades over smooth, dark gray rocks into a small pool. Winding wooden walkways, crafted from planks of brown wood, lead through the gravel-covered expanse, which is filled with small, dark gray pebbles. Large, dark gray stones, various shapes and sizes, are strategically placed throughout the garden, adding to its natural beauty. A variety of meticulously shaped shrubs and bushes, with vibrant green and crimson colors, create a dense, verdant backdrop. A Japanese maple tree, with elegant crimson foliage, adds a touch of autumnal splendor. Lush bamboo stalks line one side of the garden, providing a vertical green backdrop. A spacious, outdoor seating area, inspired by Japanese design. Wooden flooring, with a light brown/tan hue, is the prominent feature. Multiple rectangular, cushioned seating areas with an orange rust/terracotta color are scattered across the space. These are low-profile, padded, and upholstered, with subtle texture suggesting a corduroy or velvet material. The seating is interspersed with several rounded, light beige/tan wicker or woven poofs/pillows for comfort and visual variation. Large, weathered, natural-toned pottery planters, various sizes, add to the rustic ambience. Subtropical foliage, and a view of trees and lush greenery are visible through sliding, light honey-toned shoji screens. A vibrant outdoor scene, a lush garden patio area, featuring a round navy blue and beige patterned rug centered on a brown wooden deck. A macrame hanging chair, light beige with fringe, is suspended over the rug, cushioned with navy bushes and lavender. A large terracotta pot holding greenery and herbs are on the patio area. The lawn is a vibrant green, and the background is filled with lush green trees and shrubs, under a clear blue sky. A cozy, bohemian-style room. Soft, warm lighting, muted peach and terracotta tones. A hanging woven chair, light beige and cream-colored, with knitted throws, fuzzy pillows in warm earthy tones, including browns and oranges. A vintage-style wooden curio cabinet with glass doors, filled with books and decorative items. Large, flowing peach-toned curtains at a window with natural light. Various houseplants, including a large fiddle leaf fig, add a touch of greenery. A round, crocheted rug in cream and beige sits on a wood floor. A wicker basket is on the floor. Slightly impressionistic, a feeling of warmth and relaxation. Modern architectural masterpiece, a two-story house with large glass windows and wooden accents, surrounded by lush green trees. The setting is a serene garden, with well-manicured grass and contemporary outdoor furniture. The house features a sleek, minimalist design with an open layout that merges indoor and outdoor spaces. The color palette includes natural wood tones, bright whites, and warm earth hues, illuminated by soft evening light. Emphasize hyper-realistic details, capturing the reflection of the foliage in the glass and the texture of the materials. A cozy, light-filled living room, impressionistic style, featuring a vintage-style cream sofa with knitted throw pillows and a lace-trimmed throw blanket. A floral wallpaper with pale pink roses and deep green foliage cascades down the wall. Natural light streams through a window. A large, green, fiddle leaf fig plant sits in a woven basket on the floor and other potted plants are visible. Warm cream and beiges dominate the color palette. A decorative glass lantern and a lace-patterned cream-colored cabinet add to the vintage charm. A light cream-colored floral patterned rug sits on the floor. A small antique clock rests on the sofa. A tranquil, serene Japanese garden at dusk. Hyper-realistic depiction of a small, meticulously landscaped Zen garden, featuring a variety of lush greenery, including bonsai trees, ferns, and flowering plants, illuminated by warm, soft ambient lighting and strategically placed garden spotlights. The garden leads to a light brown wooden deck with fallen leaves on its surface. Large windows of a light tan, minimalist-style home provide a view into the interior that is bathed in warm, yellowish-white light. Concrete walls surround the garden, exhibiting a muted gray-brown tone, blending elements of nature and modern architecture. The gravel and stone pathway is detailed, as are the textures of the plants and the leaves. A cozy, light-filled interior of a small home, likely a tiny house or cabin. Impressionistic style, but with a realistic rendering of textures. Pale, off-white shiplap walls with simple wooden shelving and built-in storage, including a window seat with drawers. Natural light streams in from large windows. Warm, earthy colors dominate with splashes of orange, red, and teal in woven throw pillows, blankets, and a patterned rug. The wooden accents on the shelving, window, and drawers are a warm light brown. A muted sage green knitted blanket covers a portion of the window seat. Artistic prints and framed artwork are on the wall. Modern minimalist with a light, airy feel. The perspective gives an interior and exterior view, allowing a full understanding of the house's layout and features. Glass sliding doors connect the indoor kitchen and dining area to a wooden deck that extends to an exterior patio space. The kitchen features an island and stylish cabinetry in dark gray, light wood, and cream tones. There's a dining table and chairs, along with bar stools. Noticeable wooden deck elements, subtle landscaping, and a section of the house's roof structure with an orange roof section. Modern container home with a rooftop garden, situated on a deck surrounded by lush greenery and flowers. The container is dark gray/charcoal, with a wooden, light orange/brown trim. A green roof garden sits atop the container, alongside potted plants on the deck. The deck is light wooden planks. A variety of plants and flowers, in terracotta pots, line the deck edges and surrounding garden beds. A folding chair is seated on the deck. The image has a calm, inviting, and peaceful aesthetic, a soft, diffused light suggesting either early morning or late afternoon. Includes warm orange string lights on the container. The setting is a suburban garden or yard with some trees in the background. Impressionistic, but detailed in the plants and textures. A cozy, minimalist interior scene. Soft, muted light illuminates a room with white curtains and a light beige/cream knitted blanket draped over a surface. A vase filled with dried, light beige flowers sits on the blanket, next to a larger, irregular-shaped, light gray ceramic pot with two handles. A light beige linen pillow rests on the surface behind the pot. A woven basket is partially visible in the foreground, adding a warm texture to the image. The overall color palette is neutral and serene, with a focus on natural textures. A cozy, rustic interior scene. Wooden beams and planks create a warm, natural aesthetic. The setting is a small living area with a window seat, likely in a cabin or tiny home. The colors are warm browns, muted grays, and hints of mustard yellow and deep burgundy. The lighting is soft and ambient, casting gentle shadows and highlighting the natural textures. Pillows of various textures and colors, including muted grays, deep purples, and mustard yellow, are situated on the window seat. A woven rug sits on a wooden floor. A cozy, urban backyard oasis. A small, modern, enclosed structure with a kitchen and open-plan living area. Wooden slat walls and a slatted deck. Plants and greenery cascade from planters and hanging baskets up the walls, creating a lush vertical garden. Large folding glass doors reveal a fully equipped kitchen with stainless steel appliances and wooden cabinets. The structure is set against a gray metal wall that also has vertical planter boxes with more greenery. A comfortable outdoor seating area with a wooden couch, cushions, and a small wooden coffee table. The overall impression is warm, inviting, and peaceful. The palette is earthy, with tones of browns, greens, grays, and muted tans. Modern, container-style home, nestled amidst lush greenery. The structure is clad in a reflective, metallic gray material, adorned with vibrant vertical gardens overflowing with colorful flowers and lush greenery. A large set of glass sliding doors opens onto a wooden deck, providing a seamless transition between the interior and exterior. The interior, visible through the doors, features a small kitchen with a white countertop, black chairs, and wooden cabinets.
Curated products.
The deck is light brown wood, and the surrounding landscape is filled with various foliage, including large tropical-style leaves.